Hello, just taking a little break in the forest here. A little bit of green, a little bit of oxygen. Taking a break from writing. I'm on the third volume of the campus novel. First one here, the University Club. The second one I just don't happen to have with me, not now, Katrin. And the third one is slated for the end of this year. And it's difficult to write. The first two were fine, but this one's a little more difficult. And so I was thinking, when you're writing a book or writing a story, I guess, it needs to be sustainable. And then I was thinking, this whole word sustainable and sustainability, what does this mean? Usually when we think of sustainability, we think of, green things, this, like what I'm walking through here, very green. But if you look it up in Google, you get lots of different meanings. It could be ecological, could be talking about food or building or fashion. Thinking about, writing, then obviously it's a sustainable story. But it can also mean like processes, sustainable email systems, sustainable websites, sustainable social media campaigns. It could also mean relationships, sustainable relationships. Certainly when we talk about customer relationships, that's quite close to home, as I found out at my fitness studio. By the way, if you're with Keyser Training, it's really next to impossible to get out of a contract with them. I don't know if that's their idea of sustainability. Certainly it's not mine. So it's a difficult word. I like the German word Nachhaltigkeit. It just translates as sustainable, but nach is something that comes after, and haltig is contains. So I guess planning for whatever it is to contain something afterwards. So yeah, interesting word. Anyway, fun with words. Google it, see what you come up with. And I guess, for SEO purposes, it's going to be a difficult one, Have a good day.